morning. Thanks for hold the camera up. You can't see me. Here.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, we're still packing. It is the morning of Sunday.
Yes.
It's Sunday, right, Leland?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are gonna finish packing
Yes.
the truck, and that's gonna go away. And then we are going. Oh, you got it. Okay. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we're going to.
I have to go down here.
Oh, you have to go down there. Okay. And then we're gonna meet up with Uncle Eric tonight and have dinner. Yeah. You wanna do that?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna go continue to pack the truck. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
There you go.
Thank you.
Keep it still, okay? What are you just recording the lamps?
No.
That's weird. Hi.
Hi. Daddy.
Watch out.
Daddy. Where are you? What? Back there? Dad. Here, Daddy. Here, Daddy.
How's lunch?
Oh, what's Leland? What's
You're
Leland?
disgusting, Leland.
What's Leland? Leland, look. No, hold on. What about
You
this?
gotta back up, buddy.
Turn around.
Oh, that's scary. He's got makeup on.
Start talking,
okay,
Leland. Start talking.
Hello.
Okay. Now you gotta. Where'd your dad go?
Grandma, Aloysius.
Grandma Aloysius, you excited to move to Georgia?
Yeah.
Leland, you excited to move to Georgia?
No.
What?
Ready to be in Georgia.
Come say bye. Come out here and say bye.
Now.
Give hugs.
You are?
Yeah. We're gonna visit you.
Are you going to come back?
You guys will be gone.
You're not gonna see him for a while.
Why?
Do I get hugs? Bye, guys. I'll miss you. Have fun at graduation.
Bye, have fun.
Are you going to
Stay away from snakes. No more pooping in your pants.
Hey.
Got it?
No, I'm school on Tuesday.
I love you.
Monkey. Monkey.
See ya. Be good. What grade are you going to?
Go, 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 go. See ya.
Bye.
Say bye.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
We gotta get dressed. Nana's on the way. Well, there's the truck. They're going. Let's go.
So
You gotta get dressed. We were gonna meet with Kaylee's brother, Eric, Uncle Eric.
Yay! See him today.
I know. We changed plans, so we can't see Uncle Eric today. He's busy. We're gonna try to do it Tuesday, okay? But hey, we're gonna go to Jack's for dinner. Ew. Okay, Riley's not going. We're gonna go to Jack's for dinner.
I thought I was gonna.
You want mac and cheese?
No, I thought I was gonna pick for lunch. Today is not your graduation.
Yeah, Tuesday's your graduation. We're gonna go to Jack's for dinner. And Jack's restaurant and bar in Pleasant Hill is where I used to work. It was my last job that I had. So I was a manager there. And we're gonna go there, and they have the best mac and cheese ever. And I could eat like all of their mac and cheese in the whole wide world in one time. Okay, guys, get up. Come on, let's not make a mess. Nana's on her way to come get us, and then we're gonna go. Come on, let's get dressed. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, you ready?
Come here, Leland.
Put your flip-flops on. passed out.
Presley,
I'm tired.
Look at Presley.
Yeah. Mouth open and all. He's sleeping.
Stay asleep.
Yep.
How do I get around? Go around.
Good morning.
Get up.
Take a nice little nap.
You get me all that garbage?
Hello.
Daddy's talking to you.
Hello.
Hello.
You take a little nap. So we're at Jack's. Get some mac and cheese. Presley. 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 You okay? Presley.
Yeah.
What are you gonna eat?
I'm gonna open a Jack's up and some.
A bird says quack.
I don't know.
Tweet.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Like in the Kiki
I
Road.
use that.
Because we
No!
because we went
It's
too loud. We go. I do it loud. You do it soft.
I am the no, guys, stop!
Oh, my mommy be so proud of me. I'm squishing up a baby bumblebee. Ew, so yucky. I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. I never heard this. You've never heard the Baby Bumblebee song?
No!
Well, some time has passed. We've been cleaning the house. Everything's out of the house except for our stuff, which is all in this room. Crazy. Everything we have in California is in this room, pretty much. So the house is pretty much clean. And then we're going to pack up maybe tomorrow. We might stay here for a couple days. We'll see. I'm not sure. We'll see tomorrow. But we're going to the grandparents' house tomorrow for lunch and hang out with them. And then I'm not sure what else we're going to do. So we'll see you guys in the morning. See ya.